Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing a consistent theme so Explorer looks cohesive. Open settings and pick a high contrast or light theme to improve readability. Once done, install an icon pack and optionally a custom cursor. Make sure to save originals so you can revert. Adjust display scaling and DPI to match your monitor. This prevents pixelated icons. Also change accent color to tie the window chrome to your wallpaper because visual harmony reduces distraction and makes navigation faster. Now refine Explorer's layout so your files feel organized. Turn on the details and preview panes to get metadata without opening files, and keep the navigation pane visible for fast folder jumps. Then configure columns, name, date modified, type, size, and save that layout for similar folders. This reduces repeated tweaking. Once that's set, choose List, Details, or Compact View, and pick an icon size like 48px or 32px to balance information density and clarity. Finish by polishing small touches. Apply a custom style sheet or trusted theme tool for advanced colors and spacing, but backup settings first. If Explorer slows or misbehaves after changes, reset folder options to defaults and run System File Checker. Those steps fix corrupt config files. If icons or thumbnails look wrong, clear the icon and thumbnail cache. This forces Windows to rebuild visuals. Finally, make one change at a time so you can pinpoint what caused any issue and revert quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.